Happy New Year, Vancouver. I'm McEnerny-Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Wednesday, January 6th, 2021. Thank you to Alex and 7-Star, our American Sign Language interpreters today. Well, we made it through 2020, and it was probably the longest year ever, but we're finally into 2021, and the year promises to be brighter and a more hopeful year. Health experts do predict that with the new approved vaccine, we will eventually be able to find some protection from COVID-19 and return to a more normal life soon. But for now, around 70% of people who get the vaccine are still needed, and the threat is still with us. The COVID will still be a threat until that happens. Additional cases, hospitalizations, and deaths continue and are expected to for many months. Clark County cases surged over the long New Year's weekend, and there were 780 new cases over the 4 days. It averages just about 195 cases per day, which is twice as high as the per day cases last week. Yesterday, Governor Inslee announced an updated reopening plan. This new plan, called Healthy Washington, is designed to help businesses and workers impacted by the restrictions to safely reopen. And rather than the previous Safe Start program for reopening by county with multiple phases, the new reopening plan will allow regions of the state to reopen when they meet specific metrics around hospitalization and case data. The plan currently only has 2 phases, phase 1 and phase 2, and more will be added as the situation improves. All of the 8 regions in the state will begin in phase 1. For more details on Healthy Washington, please visit the website that should be on the screen under the governor.washington.gov news media, and it announces the Healthy Washington Roadmap to Recovery. So we are very close, and I know this is very tiring, and we miss going out and being with each other, with families and friends, but please remain vigilant. About 6 feet apart from each other, wear your masks, take a social gathering and celebration online, wash your hands frequently, isolate and get tested if you're experiencing symptoms or if you've been exposed to a close contact. We know that there is light at the end of the tunnel and things are brightening up, and we'll get there, but we need to be peaceful, patient, and mindful. Because increased access to testing is a key factor in slowing the spread of the coronavirus in Vancouver and our community, we're partnering with the Clark County Public Health and others to provide a free walk-in or drive-through COVID rapid testing site at Tower Mall in the parking lot around the old mall, starting the first part of next week from 9 to 3, Tuesday through Saturday. It's expected to operate for several months. And the Tower Mall site is right in the middle of Mill Plain. It's very accessible to everyone. It'll utilize a very successful model that other communities throughout the state have implemented for testing sites, and it's a self-administering oral saliva test model. So you will be providing the actual swabbing of your mouth. The City of Vancouver will maintain day-to-day management and operation of the site, and Clark County will oversee all the training and provide all the necessary health and safety protocols. Site and staffing costs are primarily funded by the Washington State Department of Health. So on our city website, you'll find more details about that. cityofvancouver.us COVID-19 testing site. Vaccinations are underway in Clark County to the highest risk groups, including workers at healthcare settings, first responders, and the residents and staff of our long-term care facilities. The vaccine will continue to be administered in phases, with those at the highest risk getting immunized first. The state health officials believe that anyone who wants a vaccine should be able to get one by at least midsummer 2021. And you can learn more about the approved vaccines. You can stay informed when the vaccine is available for the various groups, and visit the Clark County Public Health or the State of Washington Department of Health's vaccine websites, or you can simply call your health care provider. Many of our community members are struggling during these challenging times, and I wanted to share some resources which will also be listed on the video description. So first of all, 211. It's the community resources that will connect you with financial assistance, food, shelter, healthcare, and transportation. That's 211. For rental assistance, visit the Washington Multifamily Housing Association for a list of rental assistance in Clark County. For mental health assistance, go to Clark County's list. It maintains a list of community health, mental health agencies providing free mental health services. And if you're a homeowner and cannot pay your mortgage or can only pay a portion, please contact your mortgage lender immediately. Homeownership counseling and assistance is available to Washington residents through the Washington State's Department of Financial Institutions. Homeowners in distress can call a toll-free number to get assistance in how best to contact their mortgage servicer, and learn more about their options. So, Washington State's Department of Financial Institutions. Finally, a reminder that other positive things we can do are waiting, and one of the things we can do is support our small business community. The city's new Street Eats tool makes it easier to find and support local business outdoor services, curbside pickup and takeout. So you can go to the city's website or explore the interactive map. Right now we have 55 of our local businesses on the city's free My Vancouver tool. It's the app on your phone, My Vancouver. If your favorite local business is missing, please give them a call and ask them to sign up on the Street Eats website. And while Clark County remains in the COVID-19 high-risk category, please continue to have patience and hope, kindness, and use your smart health practices. We'll be able to reopen and see better times soon in Vancouver. Hopefully, 2021 is here to be a happy time for us, so be safe out there. Take good care of yourself. Wear your masks.